Hey there, my name is Sudeep. So today I will be talking about my new pet project, which is called as ColorCode. Now question comes that, okay, what is this ColorCode is all about? So this is basically a web app where you're gonna upload the image and you will be getting the color palette out of it. Okay, so you might be asking like why the color palette is so important now. So you know that nowadays everything which is having like a visually appealing approach to it will be having some sort of a color combination going on, like which color is going better with which color. Since we are not an artist to know these kind of things by ourselves, we can basically have any sort of photos where you can just upload this photo to my website, where it will be giving the all hex code and also the RGB color for you. Okay, so if you are any UX UI designer or front-end developer or photographer, videographer, you can basically use all those hex colors or the RGB format colors with your what you can say project, so that you can have that visually appealing approach to it. So yeah, that's it about the app now. So let's jump into the architecture part of it. So yeah, now it is the architecture part now. So we'll be discussing what all things went into build it up. But before that, let me just start the screen recording in my tab. So yeah, it started now. Since I'm an AI engineer, so I basically went for the Python for this app now. So here the complete backend is written in the Python itself, where it will be having the ML algorithm, and that ML algorithm will be actually sending the data or the picture, and that ML algorithm will give the color code now. So since here we'll be not knowing what sort of colors will be coming out of the picture, so that means that we don't know the labels. So since you don't know the labels, then it's absolutely the choice of the clustering now. And since it's a cluster, I basically went for the k-means. So let me just write it down. Let me just select my pencil. Right. So here I just went with k-means now. Okay. I think let me just wipe it down. So k means, okay. So this is the what you can say ML algorithm which I went. So when you wanna upload the image will be sent to the k-means now, and each filter will be having some sort of pixels going on, and all the similar pixels will be actually grouped together, made it as a cluster, and that cluster will be represented as the one color, and each cluster will be having the centroid kind of a thing. So that using that centroid, I'm gonna just fetch the hex format color and also the RGB format color. So that is the all about the k-means now. And here I'll be not directly sending to the photo like the script format. I just want to make it as a web app, so that is why I need to build some sort of a API that gonna interact with this k-means now. So for the API part, I have basically just went for the Flask now. So this is my choice, but if you want to go for any other than what you can say Flask, you can just go for the Django or Fast API or any of your choice. But here I just went with the Flask now, since Flask is easy to build and it can be up really quick. So that is what you can say the API part now, and let's see the visualization part. And when it comes to the visualization part, I have just went for the Bootstrap. Okay, so I didn't code it off each and everything from the front end side, literally from the scratch. I have basically used the Bootstrap now, where Bootstrap will be having the UI part of our app. The Flask will be like having the API session, and the APIs will be made into the what you can say the k-means. So now the user gonna interact with the Bootstrap, so he will be using all the buttons and all those stuff for the uploading, and the Flask will be hitting the k-means. So that's it about the entire what you can say app when it comes to the what you can say the API part, and also the let me just take another color now. Let me just box it up. So this is the all about the app, but this thing is not the production grade ready. So to make it this thing as production grade ready, and also to handle some of the heavy request or heavy traffic going on, I have basically used the WSGI servers. Okay, servers, or you can just say process. So this will make our app what you can say more stable in the productions. We don't want our app to be broke each and every time when it's having some sort of a heavy traffic. So that is why I use the WSGI servers, and here I just went for the Unicorn. Okay, so again this is my choice. If you want to go for UWSGI servers, you can just go it off, or any other things you can just go it off, but here this is the my choice, so GUnicorn. And GUnicorn will be having two workers for this app, and each two workers will be having two threads running. Okay, so that is more than enough, I guess. Let us just do it until app is broken again. We'll fix it up if it's broken, but for now know that I will be having two workers plus two threads in the each workers. So my customer gonna be basically, or the client's gonna be, or even a user, sorry, will be using this app, and all the requests will be hit to the WSGI servers first, then it will be sending all the requests to my main app. So this is the entire picture about the app now. This will make a more stable approach, and here I have basically containerized this thing to make it much more, what I can say, stable. Let me just change up the color. Let me just go for the yellow. Cool. So to make it everything, what I can say, nicely intact, I have basically went for the containerizing this entire what I can say app, and here I have been using the Docker. So the Docker will take care of all the dependencies issues, so we don't need to worry about like how to install this stuff and the version name. So the Docker will be taking care of that one, and I have basically uploaded this Docker to the Heroku. So since Heroku is the platform where you wanna upload your apps up to 5 completely for the free, and that will be having some sort of a dynos going on depending upon the usage of the app, which is like more, what you can say, good option. So you don't need to worry about like buying the servers up for yourself. So with the Docker, I went with the Heroku, and I went with the Heroku. So this will make the entire deployment done, and this app is already up and running. I'll be giving up the link in the description or in the readme file, and also all the source code, all the requirement .txt files, all the configuration, all the what you can say Docker image is also available in the GitHub. So if you want to check it down, you can just check it down, and yeah, let us just see the little demo around it now. So to the demo part. Okay, so now on to the demo part now. So to see the demo, all you need to do is that just open up your browser and open this URL called as ColorCodes.herokuapp.com. okay, so this is the place where I have deployed the app, and you can see it's already up. So this app is pretty much consisting all the standard things that each and every website these days got. So here it got the navbar, where it got the label, and then we got the about me section. It's about me. Then you can just go back, and then if you want to have the demo part or the tutorial part, you can just hit the demo button, where it will try to show the tutorial part. And also we got two more things. One is the feedback and the contribute, but we will be coming up to that part in the later of this video. But let us just see the app itself. To get started with the app, all you need to do is that hit this button called as start, and that will open the page where you can just upload the all sort of images. And here I just want to extract the color for this notebook cover. Okay, so this notebook cover got some vibrant color going on. Let me just extract all the colors out of it. To extract the color, you need to just hit this button called as choose file, where you can just upload the saved image if you got it in your library, or if you taken it, or you can just upload the live photo, where you can just hit the button called as take photo. So this will boot up my camera. Let me just take this picture. Let me just go to the closer so that I don't got the edges going on. I don't want the color code for the edge. Then I'm gonna hit the button called as use photo. So this will upload the photo, and then we got one more, what I can say, session, where we gonna just select the number of clusters we want to go in for that color. Okay, so how many clusters you want to have in, like if you want to have one color, it's a one cluster. If you have 3 colors, then it will be the 3 clusters. If you want to have the 5 colors, it's like a 5 clusters, or 7. Okay, so here I'll be going for the 5 colors now, and then I'm gonna hit this button called as extract. And then you need to have a little bit of a patience, because this app is the AI app, where it is deployed on the CPU server. So obviously it want to take a little bit of a time. Yeah, let us just do it until it's get loaded up. It should happen in a minute, I guess. So yeah, it's happening. So since we are running on the free server, so this is the result of it. Okay, great. We got the result now. So here, this is the image which I have been uploaded now, And here if you just try to scroll down, you can just see the colors that is coming out of this notebook cover. So here we got the red with the hex color and the RGB color. Here we got the purple with the hex color and the RGB. Same thing goes for the pink, black and orange. So yeah, that's it about the app now. So if you want to upload some more images, you can just go it and do it for yourself just by going on hitting this button called as start. And lastly, coming to the two part of this session is the feedback one. So if you want to give me any sort of a feedback around this app, you can just go and hit on this button called as feedback that is present on the footer. That will take you to the Google form, okay, where you can just upload it up, all sort of what you can say. I came back actually. Let me just go back. The color codes. So yeah, if you want to give the feedback, you can just give it up, and then you can just contribute to this app. Like if you are any sort of a developer, regardless of front end, back end, AI, any sort of a developer, if you want to contribute with me, you can just go and hit this button called as contribute. That will take you to the GitHub page of it. So all the what you can say code, all the requirement.txt, all the Postman collections, all the what you can say the Docker file, all sort of what you can say requirements around this project is uploaded in the GitHub. So try to fork it up yourself and add whatever the feature you want to add in, and then hit me up a PR at the end of the day. So we'll be collaborating those things to this app to see better what you can say improvements. So yeah, that's it about the entire app and also the project. So yeah, thank you for watching, and yeah, keep learning.